24 seconds. So that's how I did it. Okay, so today it's the only one out again. So like yesterday, I was a drama queen and did some really good solves. So today we're gonna be practicing more. Those by two, thrust by thrust. First we're gonna do my main cube, those by two, or again 249. I don't really know what it's called, so I'm just gonna say it. So today my mom is not gonna scramble it up. I'm gonna scramble it up. Okay, let's get a good solve. I always end up with these Y poems. It's gonna be 9 seconds. And it's 9 seconds. Suey! Now it says those by two. So that's good. How do I say that? Nah, I messed up. I still got 10 seconds. I used to get 5. Okay. So my mom is not gonna scramble it up today. So I'm gonna scramble it every time. Now I'm gonna scramble it one-handed. But no, I'm not. Sorry. My brain is pretty functioning this time. So this is what I'm gonna do. It's gonna be a good solve. I'm scrambling it more. What? I just do. But how am I? Wait, what? No. Pee out. Oh, come on. Why am I keep on doing that? It's gonna be a bad solve. It's gonna be a bad solve. I'll do one more scramble after this. Then the video ends. Why am I keep on doing that? I'm gonna get a 50. Thank God I didn't do it that time. Yeah, I'm gonna get a 50. $59. I'll do one more solve or two, and the video ends. Just kidding, only one more solve. Scrambling, scrambling, scrambling. Scrambling, scrambling is the best. Scrambling, scrambling, mambling. Scrambling, scrambling. Oh my God. Scrambling, scrambling. Done. Wait, what? Oh my God! 21 seconds! I can't believe it. I'm just gonna do an H-perm. Okay. This is crazy. So, thank you. Like and subscribe. And don't forget to use my discount on cubes. Epic. Bye!